Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your trusted spot for the latest camera reviews, comparisons, and photography gear insights. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Fujifilm X-H3, Fujifilm's powerful new flagship designed for photographers and videographers who demand the very best. With its cutting-edge sensor, lightning-fast autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, the X-H3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting hybrid cameras of 2025. High voltage. Whether you're into professional filmmaking, action photography, or just want a future-ready mirrorless system, this camera promises to deliver on all fronts. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive deep into what makes the Fujifilm X-H3 such a game-changer. The Fujifilm X-H3 continues Fujifilm's tradition of blending cutting-edge technology with a design made for professionals. Equipped with a brand-new sensor and processor, it delivers outstanding image quality, faster performance, and improved low-light capabilities. Whether you're shooting stills or 8K video, the X-H3 feels responsive, reliable, and ready to handle any creative challenge. One of the biggest highlights is its autofocus system, which is noticeably faster and smarter than previous models. With advanced subject tracking and AI-driven recognition, it locks onto people, animals, and even vehicles with impressive accuracy. Videographers will especially love the expanded video features, offering higher frame rates, better color science, and more flexibility for post-production work. On top of that, the X-H3 is built tough, with weather sealing and a durable body that makes it a great companion for outdoor shooting. While it may come at a premium price, the combination of professional-grade performance, hybrid flexibility, and Fujifilm's renowned color science makes the X-H3 one of the most exciting cameras of 2025. If you're serious about photography or videography, this is definitely a model worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.